when we were beginning, of course, we were a small team. We loved the idea.
Yeah.
But of course, when you're beginning, you're starting something. When something is starting, you don't know what to do. You just
get into it.
It's a leap of faith.
Yeah.
So at the beginning, that's when you would be challenged by so many people from different countries, so many people, different personalities. A small team handling those people, people wanting to go to rehearsals, others wanting to go to the hotel, people wanting different activities. It was really challenging at the beginning of it.
Yeah.
Because I'd never worked on a festival before. So that in itself, it was a challenge.
I can imagine. You've had to deal with artists from all over the world, Africa, Europe, all over the country. Now, as a Rwandan artist and creative arts person, what are the major differences that you've noticed, and how have you been able to work with these differences to produce something good?
Right. People are different, first of all. Now, when it comes to artists, it's a different story. People are different.
Yeah.
Artists themselves are different people.
Yeah.
So, but of course, those differences make the beauty of everything.